Hi guys, welcome to the Dresses channel. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly teach you guys this bull market strategy. It's simple and it's a effective strategy. You can see with this strategy, I was able to grow a $400 account into a $9,000 plus profit. This strategy is just a quick and it's a easy strategy. So I'm going to teach you guys how I took this trade with this strategy, and also I'm going to show you guys the scalping of this strategy. You can use strategies to scalp, to catch spike. So I'm going to teach you guys everything today. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also turn your post notification so anytime I post in strategy, you guys should be aware. So guys, with that being said, then if you want us to manage your account for you, so just contact the number you are seeing at the screen, then we are going to manage your account for you. And also for our Telegram community, you can join our Telegram community for free. So the link is going to be in the description below, so you can join our Telegram channel for free signals. So with that being said, so let's quickly dive into today's strategy without wasting much of our time. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how I was able to take this trade with this same strategy that I'm going to teach you guys today. So now when we see this, when I first come to the chart and then I see that I see this movement from here, from the indicator from here to this area, then I quickly go watch my chart out. I quickly watch my chart out. Then I see that this is what the chart has been doing. It's come from here, moving to this area. Then it's come back, move up, come back, move up. It shows double top right here. Then crash to the downside. When you hit this area right here, let me zoom so you guys can see. So sorry. So upon the price touching this area right here, then I will look out for my for my indicator right there. Then I zoom out completely. So I look at for my indicator and I will see it touches the 10 levels of the RSI, touching the 10 levels of the RSI. Then when it touches, I will see a key zone right here that the market was around right here. Then I immediately took the trade right here. Although when I took this trade, I was thinking of closing around this area right here. I was thinking of closing around this area right here, but eventually the market spike above it. Then I leave the market. Then I leave the market to keep on running. So I leave the market to keep on running. Then since then I'll be holding this trade just with this strategy, just simple strategy. This is the moving average. Just the moving average touching these 10 levels. When touching the 10 levels, then you want to look out for a key zones, which you are seeing right here. I look out for this key zone right here. Then for that, what give me the confidence of taking this trade. So this strategy is I'm just going to teach you guys how you can use strategy to swing trade, and I'm also going to teach you guys how you can use this strategy for scalping, which is the effective one. For scalping, which is the effective one you can be using. So now let me first show you guys settings for this strategy before we dive into the explanation on how you guys can make use of the strategy. So just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So I have to go to this icon. When you get to this icon, you click on it. Then let me delete everything up. You don't need to indicator right here. So when you get there, click on this F plus we are seeing right here. So when you click on that F plus, then the next thing you are going to do is just add your RSI, which you are seeing right here. Add the RSI. Then this is the parameters for the RSI. The period is going to be 1500. Apply to close. This type known as running this type, and the levels. For the levels, we are going to need the 10, 30, 50, 70, and the 90 levels. So when you set everything up like this, then click on done, and we have your RSI right in your chart. Now the last but not least indicator we are going to be adding is going to be now indicator window 1. So click on the F plus, then add your moving average. So we need the period of 2. Shift 0, the method is exponential. Apply to be dead close. Now the style, I'm going to using the green color. So click on done. When you set everything up, then you are good to go. we are good to go. So now, what are we expecting before we take any decision with the strategy? What are we expecting before we took anything? The first thing you need to do is you have to zoom out completely. Zoom out completely. When you zoom out completely, then you can see a clear picture of this chart. Now, so what do you need to do? What do you need to do? So now this is what you need to do. Now, you first have to make sure that your moving average is around the 10 levels of the RSI. Now, when it's at the 10 levels of RSI, then you have to find a key zone. You have to find a key zone, meaning that now, let's say with the market, this is the lowest low the market reached before switch back up, come back, switch back up. But this loan is has not been react on. This one has not been reacted on. The price come to this zone, but upon coming to this zone, it's eventually broken it. So now when it broken it, then it switch back up a little, then come back to this one right here. Let me zoom so you guys can see. Come back to this, when it switch back up, it come back to this one right here. But coming to this zone, then you can see it moved a little bit below this low right here. Move a little below this low right here. Then you can see what the RSI is telling us, and the moving average is telling us. So you can see it's at the 10 levels of this RSI. Now you can see that. Now when you see that, then you have to wait for a confirmation. So this is the confirmation you need to wait for. You have to make sure that you see a candle closing above this line right here. I have to see a candle closing above this line right here, which means that you have to make sure that you see a candle when this red candle comes. You can see you have a green candle, and we can see this is the candle that's closed above all these three candles right here. This is the candle that close above them, and that's when you are going to enter for your trade. You know, just open your trade blindly. So that's when you are going to enter your trade. You can see same as the trade that took right here. Same as the trade that I took right here. You can see. Sorry, let me. So that's the same as this trade that took right here. When all the confirmation have been made, meaning I see the price touching this key zone right here, touches this key zone right here, and I could see that I have this moving average touching the 10 levels of the RSI. Then I want to see candle closing above all. When you can see the momentum candle that close above all, closing above at least 3 candles, which is 1, 2, 3. So you can see this momentum candle closing above this candle. So when it closes above this candle, even close above this, one right here, even close above this one, even close above this one right here. So close above them all, then that's when I enter for my trades, and then this time I've been making a lot of money. You can see right here I've been making a lot of money. So now that is that on that about the trade I took here on boom 300. Now for the crash 1000, I think I took the trade on crash 1000 as well. Now before I explain the trade that I took on crash 1000, so I want you guys to know that same thing applies for everything that I said on boom 300. Now you can see something right here. Before I took the trade, you can see something right here. Before I took the trade, you can see now. You can see how crazy these markets have been moving. Now it's first, this is the low that's first making. Go shoot back up, not touches this low. When this low occurs, then when this price touching this low right here, you can see how the exchange is being shooting back up a little. And you can see this is the momentum spike that broken at least 3 candles. 1, 2, 3 candles, and this one broken with a 6 candle, broken below 6 candles. And you can see something right here as well. You can see the moving average touching the 90 levels of the RSI. So that is everything you need to know before taking any entries with this strategy. And this one is for swing trade. Not scalping. Now I'm very sure some of you are waiting for the explanation on how you guys can use strategy for scalping. So I'm going to teach you guys now how you guys are going to make use of the strategy for scalping. Maybe now to use this strategy for scalping, you just need little things to use the strategy for scalping. So if you want to use strategy for scalping, then this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. But I think we have already there's a lot of time that this video is taking so much longer, so I don't want this video to be much longer. So maybe I will be making I'll create another video on how guys can use strategy for scalping, which will be the second part of this strategy. So I'll be uploading both, maybe some distance. So I'll be uploading both. So I'll teach you guys how you guys can make your strategy for scalping, which I know you guys are going to be using for it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to practice this strategy. Make sure you practice this, figure out how it works in your own trading system. Anyway, figure that out and start using the strategy to make crazy money. So sorry. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification. Center phone strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys for seeing the next video. Be expecting the scalping of this strategy. Bye.